Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change language on your Taobao app. So first, let's head over to the app. So let's start over by clicking on your profile icon. So in this page, just look for the settings icon, then click on it. And in the settings page, just click on languages and region. And from here, we're just going to change our country first. So just click on this. So here are a list of regions and we're just going to pick the fifth one, which is Singapore. So once we've set our region to Singapore, we can easily change our language available on Singapore just by clicking here. So as you can see from here, we can easily pick English. So just click on it. So once done, you can easily see your Taobao app now translated to English language. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily change language on your Taobao app. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!